Namaste. Today I start exercise 3.4, part 6. Okay, and you have to see each part sequence wise so that you can understand. In 3.4 exercise we said study about elimination method. Okay, to solve the equation by which method? Elimination method. Eliminate means one of the variable you have to cancel. How you cancel one of the variable that you have to know. So here I explain you elimination method by taking example 1, number 1. There are two equations. So in substitution method you know how to solve the equation, but in elimination method you make one of the variable whose coefficient must be same. So here coefficient of x is 2 and here coefficient of y is minus 3. Clear? So what you have to do? You make one of the variable whose coefficient must be same. So for that you may multiply here equation 1 by 2 so that 2, if you multiply by 2 then here you get 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Multiply all the terms by 2 so that the coefficient of x becomes same. Or here signs are opposite. Okay, and if you multiply first equation by 3, all the terms by 3, then also you make the coefficient of y same, opposite sign, so here no need to change the sign. Okay, here if you make coefficient of x same, then you have to change the sign because here 2x to cancel x variable, here 2x, here 2x, so you have to change the sign so that 2x minus 2x becomes 0. So better to multiply here equation 1 by 2 so that 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. I multiply all the terms of equation 1 by 3. Second, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And here no need to change the sign because here opposite sign is already there. So 3y and minus 3y eliminate, y variable eliminate. 3x plus 2x, 5x is equal to 15 plus 4, 19. And therefore x equal to 19 upon 5. Clear? So this method is known as elimination method because first we eliminate y variable. You will eliminate x variable also. Whatever you like, but you must have to make coefficient of whatever variable you want to eliminate, that coefficient must be same. And if opposite sign is there, then no need to change the sign. Clear? So now after this, getting the value of x, you have to find the value of y. So for that what we said, substituting x equal to 19 upon 5 in one of the equations. So better to put in one equation because calculation become easy if you put value of x in this equation. Okay, if you put here then also no problem, but calculation become complicated because here is 2, here is 3 and here is 4. So you have to see in which equation you have to put so that equation calculation become easy. So I put this value here. So substituting this in equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 I write x plus y is equal to 5. And now you write therefore y is equal to 5 minus x. And that is equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. And that is equal to 5 is 25. 25 minus 19 is what? 25 LCM, 5 5 are 25 minus 19 is 6. Okay, 6 upon 5. LCM is 5. Here 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26. Check with the not check. X equal to 19 upon 5 and y equal to 6 upon 5. So answer is what? Answer after this we have to write answer. X equal to 19 upon 5 and y equal to 6 upon 5. If we solve these two equations by substitution method or graphical method, then also you get this answer. This answer is obtained by any method. Clear? So we have up to now we have studied about graphical method, substitution method, and this method third one is elimination. After that we shall see cross multiplication method. But in this exercise, whole exercise is based on which method? Elimination method. And in example 1 they said that you solve this equation by elimination method as well as substitution method. So in substitution method what you shall do? Y equal to 5 minus x. That I have got y equal to 5 minus x, and 5 minus x you put here in second equation, and if you solve this then you get the value of x, and whatever value you get 19 upon 5. In that value you substitute in this expression, then you get value of y. Here y equal to 5 minus x. So 5 minus 19 upon 5 you get. So I give you for homework. I only explain elimination method, and substitution method you have to do for practice purpose. Okay? So I will now write the second equation. Okay? There are total, I think there are total 4 examples, sub-examples. Second one, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. And second equation, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay? Yes. Here the coefficient of x is different 3 and 2. Here coefficient of y is here 4 and here 2. So to make which variable, to make a coefficient of each variable so that it becomes same and easy. So here see only you have to multiply second equation by 2 so that it becomes 2 to the 4 and plus 4 and minus 4. So that both term cancel or not, and we eliminate y. Okay. And some may think like this: to make the coefficient of x same, what is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. So here some may multiply by 2 and here 3 and 6. 6 coefficient becomes same, and after 6 you have to change the sign, and that way also you can do. But better thing is what you have to make a coefficient of y same. It is very easy because opposite side sign is already there. So I multiply second equation by 2 and first equation by 1. So we get 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and here 2 multiply all the terms by 2. So 2 to the 4x minus 4y, 2 to the 4. Okay? And in example 1 you have to write that solving equation this and this by which method? Elimination method. That you have to mention in exam, because in exam only one example asked. So at that time you have to mention which method you are trying. If they say that you have solved by elimination method, then also you have to write solving 1 and 2 by elimination method. Now here see signs are different. So y term cancel, 4y and minus y eliminate. 3x plus 4x, 7x. Don't change sign here because already signs are opposite, so no need to change the sign. 10 plus 4, 14, and therefore x equal to 14 upon 7. 7 to the 14, so we get the solution x equal to 2. Okay. Now what we say next step is what substituting x equal to 2 in any one equation. So I substitute here. You may put here, whatever you like. But I put in equation 2. So here you have to write substituting x equal to 2 in equation number 2. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay. So I divide all the terms by 2, so we get x minus y equal to 1. Substitute here 2. So 2 minus y equal to 1. Therefore minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. 2 goes on this side. So it becomes minus 1 minus y equal to minus 1. And therefore y is equal to 1. Okay, so I get value y equal to 1, x equal to 2. See the method. Okay, if someone divide by 2, then you get second equation x minus y equal to 1, but you have to multiply at that time, you have to multiply by 4 because here is 4. So I have here not divide by 2, I will keep as it is, but here I divide by 2 because so that equation become easy. Okay, so when and where we have to do changes that we have to think at that situation. Okay, so here if you want your answer is correct or not, you put here x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 and verify that you get 10 or not. So here 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 4 1 ja 4, so 6 plus 4 10. So your answer is right. Again you put here 2 2 ja 4, 4 minus 2 1 ja 2, 4 minus 2 2. So these values satisfy both equations, so your answer is right, and at last you have to write answer x equal to 2, y equal to 1. And they said you have to solve this equation by elimination as well as by both method you have to apply. So in substitution method here, in that case you have to divide this by 2. So it become easy or not? And x equal to that, at that time x equal to what? I just orally explain you. X equal to 1 plus y. And substitute this value in here. Okay, so 1 plus y, and if you simplify then you get the value of y, and whatever value y equal to 1 you get. And if you put here y equal to 1, then you get 1 plus 1 2. So already I explained you substitution method, and I have already explained in exercise 3.3. So here I only explain you as elimination method. Third number. Third number, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. And second equation, 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Okay. So they have written this equation in, see, here standard form and here 9x equal to, so you have to write in such a way that you can do very well. So here I write again both equations like this, 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. And here 9x, take y term here variable term, minus 2y equal to 7. Later to write this. Now see here is 3 and here is 5 and here is 2. So to make, if you decide which variable you want to eliminate, and which variable become easy to eliminate here, see. Here only we have to multiply this equation by 3. So that time is saved And here if you decide y term to eliminate, for that you have to multiply this by, because 5 to, so LCM is 10, so here you have to multiply by 2 and here multiply by 5. And both equation you have to multiply and calculation become tough. So better to eliminate x here. So see the situation and decide which variable it become easy to cancel. Okay. So here I multiply equation 1 by 3, so that 3 3 are 9 and 9 coefficient becomes same. It is easy or not? And here no need to multiply by 1, no any number, then 9 1 are 9. So both equation has x variable has same coefficient, and therefore I write 9x minus 5 3 are 15. Don't forget to multiply all the term by 3. Some students forget and they write 9x, but after that they write minus 5y equal to 4. The whole example become wrong. So be careful when you multiply here. If you write 3, then you have to multiply each term by 3. Be careful. And here 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Change the sign. So 9x cancel. Minus 15 plus 2, put your hand here. Minus 15 plus 2, new sign you consider. So minus 15 minus 40, so minus 13. Y is equal to 12 minus 7, 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. So y is equal to 5 upon minus 13. That means minus plus minus plus minus minus. So what is the value of y? Minus 5 upon 13. And after getting y, you substitute this value in which equation? Second equation is easy. Okay? So you have to decide which equation you have to substitute in which equation. So here I write substituting y equal to minus 5 upon 13 in equation 2. So 9x is equal to 2 times, what is the value of y? But here you write the second equation again, and after that you remember y equal to minus 5 upon 13. This value I obtained. Here also I have mentioned. And therefore 9x is equal to 2 into minus 5 upon 13 plus 7, and that is equal to minus 10 upon 13 plus 7, 9x. So that is equal to, if you take LCM, minus 10 plus 13 7 are 91 upon 13. So 91 minus 10 is 81 upon 13, and here x equal to, I put this 9 here in denominator. So 9 9 are 81. So we get x equal to 9 upon 13. So this way I have obtained solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variables. And if you want to verify this, you put here. Okay. So in rough work you have to put 3 into 9 upon 13. Just I want it satisfy or not. Minus 5 upon 13. And simplify, you get 0 or not. 9 3 are 27 upon 13. Minus minus plus. 25 upon 13. Y equal to 3x minus 5y. Again there is minus 4 is there, no? 9 3x minus 5y minus 4 is there. Okay. So again I write minus 4. And see, here both has denominator same. So 27 plus 25. because denominator same, so you can add the numerator. So 7 plus 5 I write here, okay. 7 plus 5 12, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 52 upon 13 minus 4, and 13 4 ja 52, and therefore 4 minus 4 is 0. So yes, it satisfy or not. So if you get fraction, then there may be chance of mistake. So I have done that this answer is correct or not. So I put this value and I check, and it is correct because see, 3x minus 5y minus 4. I have not put at very first, I have not put minus 4. But see here minus 4 is there, and in denominator there is 1, so I again take, but I again not take LCM because here 13 4 ja 52. So this fraction has simplest form 4, so no need to take again LCM, and 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So answer is x equal to 9 upon 13, y is equal to minus 5 upon 13. So in rough work you have to check your answer wrong or right. Okay, in question paper also there is some space for doing rough work. Okay, so in that space you have to utilize. So here now fourth sum. There are only 4 sum of example 1. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1. X minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. Okay. So here see both variable are in numerator. So this pair of equation in two variables are called linear pair of equation. And here you have to take LCM, and you want to cancel the denominator. 2 3 ja 6, 6 LCM. So I take 6 LCM on both sides. So I multiply all the terms by 6, so that this equation reduce into. If I put 6 times x upon 2 plus 6 times 2y upon 3 is equal to 6 into minus 1. You may write direct also. See, 2 3 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. So denominator cancels it 2 and 3. So you get this type of equation, 3x plus 2 2 ja 4y is equal to, don't write 6 minus 1 5 because here is product. Okay, so 6 1 ja 6 minus 6. So this equation becomes this one. It is standard. Here also, here you take LCM on both sides, don't cancel this way. Okay, here equal sign. So here you have to multiply all the terms by 3. So this is our first equation. Second equation I already explained here, 3x. If you put here 3, then 3 cancel, so minus y is equal to 3 3 ja 9. This is the second equation. Okay. Now see here already coefficients are same, so no need to eliminate. You decide that I want to eliminate by and do again. Here already present, x coefficient of x are already same. Only you have to change the sign. See the situation and do decision. Okay. So here only you have to change the sign because both have same sign. So I only change the sign. Don't try to eliminate y here. Okay. Answer you obtain, but it takes time. Okay. So here 3x cancel. 4y, put your hand here, new sign, 4y plus y, 5y is equal to minus 15, and therefore y is equal to minus 15 upon 5, 5 3 ja 15, therefore y equal to minus 3 you get. Clear? And now you substitute this value in which equation? Here it is better. Okay. So here you have to write substituting y equal to minus 3 in equation. You will put here or here, but I put here because from this we obtain this. Okay, so there is no any difficult. So x minus, you have to write down substituting this equation in equation this second equation. So x minus, what is the value of y? Minus 3 upon 3 equal to 3. And see 3 1 are 3. And therefore you get x minus minus plus 1 is equal to 3. And therefore x equal to 3 minus 1. And therefore you get x equal to 2. Okay. So this way I have obtained solution x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. If you put this value here, then it satisfies. Put here 2. 2 minus 3 upon 3 is again minus 1, and minus 1 minus 1, so it is plus 1. So 2 plus 1, that is 3 or not. So this value satisfies this equation. Again you put here 2 by 2 1. 1 plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 upon 3 is minus 2. Okay, and minus 2 plus minus minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So these two values satisfy both the equation. Therefore our answer is correct. So in rough work you have to check. And after this you have to write the answer x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. And this way I have completed example 1. And you have to complete this example by which method? Substitution method also. Okay? Both method you have to solve. Okay? Now I take example 2. In example 2, it says that form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. You have to form two equations and you have to see that solution exists or not. And if it exists, then you have to solve by which method? Elimination method. So there are how many sub-examples? 5 sub-examples. In example 1 there are 4 and example 2 5. So number 1, they said that if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? What is the fraction? So first you have to form the equation. Okay. So for that you have to write let x upon y be the required fraction. Required fraction. They say that after this, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. That means you have to write here from given information. Equation become as follows. Equations become as follows. Number 1, they said that add 1 to numerator. So here numerator is x, so add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. Then fraction reduces to 1. That means the fraction is 1. This type of example comes in exercise 3.3 or not? in that there is no one fraction is given 9 upon 11. Here they said that reduces to 1. And if you simplify this, here denominator is 1. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. And therefore x minus y is equal to minus 1. This is minus 1 and again minus 1. So you get x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this way I obtain one equation from this information. Okay, and second equation I obtain. They say that it becomes 1 upon 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Okay. So they say that from given information we have said for both equations. So there is no need to write second equation. If we add 1 in denominator, then we get what is the value of fraction? Value is 1 upon. They say that value is 1 upon. So from that 2x is equal to y plus 1. And therefore 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is second equation. So I form two equations and you have to solve it by elimination method. Clear? So you can do or not. You have to just try to hurriedly. See, 2x minus y is equal to 1 and see coefficient of y is same. Only you have to change the sign. Minus plus minus. Y cancel. Minus x is equal to minus 3 and therefore x equal to 3. And if you put here x equal to 3 here 1 3 and if you put that value here, so substituting x equal to 3 in equation 2, equation 1, sorry, here is 1, so equation 1. So we get what? X minus y equal to minus 2 and therefore minus y is equal to minus 2 minus x. And minus 2 minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 5. Okay, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 and therefore y equal to 5. Clear? So what is your required fraction? X is 3 and y is 5, so 3 upon 5. Clear? And you want to verify, then you put here 3 plus 1, 4. And y is 5 minus 1, that is again 4. So 4 upon 4 is 1 or not? So your value, if you put this value, then it satisfies this equation. Here also 3. And here 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 upon 6. So 3 2 just 6. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So this value satisfy both the equation, and this way I have completed first example of example 2. And you do more practice, okay, and you see the video in part wise, number wise. This is the video of this number is part 6. Clear? So this way I have completed. Have a nice day, and next time I will do 2 of example 2.